Well, don't it look pretty? It wasn't so pretty all morning. It's done nothing but storm. A little windy out here, so I'm sure that's going to affect my video. We're going to do a real short vlog today. I got to go out and feed the critters. I'm wearing my gym shorts and a t-shirt and flip-flops. I haven't done nothing all day but sit at a computer for 2.5 hours editing a video. Now the fact that my back is real sore from yesterday, overdoing things, doesn't help. It gets even stiffer sitting there in front of that computer. But I'm going to get out there and get the deer fed today. We had a tornado warnings all morning. Our house is, almost directly between Orchard Hill and Jenkinsburg, Georgia. Well, a tornado hit at Orchard Hill and at Jenkinsburg over that way. We had warnings go off here, so I'm assuming that tornado was above us when it went zooming by. Fortunately, it didn't touch down here. I'm looking, it's daylight, and I'm looking up at the moon. It's out in the middle of the day. Looks like I could see about half of it. Perfectly clear in that area. We've got some clouds blowing in though, and I wouldn't be surprised if the storms are coming back. I had to put a new trail camera out for camera number 1. That's why I haven't showed camera number 1 lately. It quit on me, so I had to take it and get another one. It's one thing about these Wild Game Innovation cameras, they're not holding up as good as I'd like them to. When I can afford it, I'll go to more expensive trail cameras. And I'm going to get out and do trail camera footage in them different areas later in the year. Hopefully, that's my plan anyway. Let's go feed the deer. Oh, I'm stiff as a board. Get my back up against this seat. Still got some corn. Usually it's all cleaned up. The big guy, and you'll notice in the April 12th video that I posted this morning, in fact it might not be online yet, he seems to be hogging up all the food, but the little small buck that ain't much bigger than a fawn, he's smarter than that old guy. He comes out here in the daytime and he gets a head start on the guy before the big buck, before he comes and eats it all at night. We'll throw some more food out here and check the camera anyway. Ooh. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Husqvarna on a lawnmower. Cleaned up this corn. Of course, I didn't have quite as much ear, I don't think. Let's start putting more in the bucket every day. I run out pretty fast anyway. Get my number 1 disc ready. Some days I get as many as 500 still photos over there at camera number 2. I've had to eliminate a lot of pictures today of that same big buck. He spends half his camera time eating up my video time, eating up all my corn. Got my back hurting again. I'd probably be laying around for the next week doing nothing. One of my viewers made a comment that I need to use my, I think it was Hugh down in Florida. I need to use my weed eater to cut all these weeds from around the boat. But I'm going to find it a whole lot easier just to hook up my truck to the boat, pull the boat out of there, run the lawnmower in through there. I do that about twice a year. And then put the boat back in there. Might be a day or two before I get around to doing that, but we're definitely going to cut the grass in the boathouse.